Thank you, Jerry. Friends, do y'all remember when I said that what you do is not your experience, it's your experiences? I may be wrong, but don't think I am. I'm probably the only lawyer that has tried a murder case. I've tried 4 or 5 of them. Fortunately, they were not death-qualified juries. When you're sitting there with somebody and their life is in your hand, it's an experience. You understand a whole lot more than other people just want to talk about. So I want you to know that when I tell you where I'm coming from. I support the moratorium because I think anybody in the right mind, based on the current level of information we're getting about DNA, has to understand that we have made mistakes in this state in the past. And we don't want to make any more mistakes. We've got to be prepared for that. So I do believe we've got to have a moratorium. And we've got to have a real discussion in this state about the death penalty, because there are situations where the victims are such that, you know, your heart just cries out and says, well, we want to have the death penalty. But we as a society have to make that decision. That's not a decision for the lieutenant governor. It's not a decision for the governor. That's going to be a decision for the people of this state. So I support the moratorium until we come up with some consensus of what you want, not what I want, but what you want as citizens of this state. And that's the position I'm going to take as lieutenant governor. You know, again, I've been there. You know, I've had that burden. And it's not pleasant. And I hope I'm conveying what I'm saying to you about that you have somebody in the leadership position in the state that knows what they're talking about from their experience, not what they just might think.